Accentuate Makeup and Hair Academy organized its certification ceremony to felicitate the students who have completed their professional makeup and hairstyling course. Additional Deputy Commissioner Shanborlang Warjuri attended the event as a chief guest. Warjuri handed over the certificates to the first batch of the 7 students. Talking to reporters, founder of the academy, Badap Nyota, said he is happy to be able to come back to Shillong to teach while hoping that more students will join the professional course.
Nakuha ay ba man pai ba siya man sedang man nang ne ba pi walai ki kena jingkai kena ang ne e ba yo sabar e be play la dengan ban yo dekat saka, and I'm very happy back here to teach people here in Shillong, and I'm looking forward that I'll have more students to join in the days to come.
Despite threats